Hello, this presentation evaluates people management and organizational effectiveness at Tesla. The focus of this analysis is identifying leadership and workforce challenges that affect employee engagement and long-term performance. Using organizational theory and Cotter's change model, this presentation explains how leadership practices can be improved to strengthen employee support and organizational stability. Tesla is widely known for its innovation and rapid growth in the electric vehicle industry. Under Elon Musk's leadership, the company has focused heavily on speed, production expansion, and technological advancements. While these strengths support innovation, rapid growth also creates pressure on employees and leadership systems. Because of this fast-paced environment, people management challenges have become an important area to evaluate. The major issue in this evaluation involves work-life balance challenges and leadership communication gaps. Employee ratings show that maintaining work-life balance is difficult, especially in production and engineering roles where deadlines, performance, expectations remain high. Feedback also indicates that leadership communication and decision transparency vary across departments. The underperforming dimensions in this case is people management. This is because leadership supports, communication clarity and workload balance directly influences employees' trust and performance. Evidence as supporting this issue shows that Tesla performs well in compensation and career opportunities, which does attract high-performance employees. However, leadership and cultural support ratings are lower compared to these strengths. External reports describe Tesla's workplace environment as demanding and performance-driven. This pattern shows that while rewards and advancement opportunities exist, the leadership communication and support systems may not fully be able to keep pace with the operational demands. Current ramifications include people management challenges that affect employee motivation and engagement. Supportive work conditions are important for maintaining productivity, especially in high demand environments like Tesla. When employees experience heavy workloads without consistent leadership support, motivation can begin to decline. Over time, this makes teamwork harder and increases stress for employees. Even highly skilled employees may struggle to perform consistently if expectations remain high without sufficient communication and support. If these challenges are not addressed, Tesla may face long-term workforce risk. One major concern is employee retention, particularly amongst highly skilled engineers and technical staff who support the innovation. When skilled employees leave the company, it interrupts normal operations. Over time, this can slow down production and reduce innovation progress. These risks demonstrate why improving people management is necessary for maintaining Tesla's long-term competitive advantage. Case studies show that Tesla places strong emphasis on urgency and high productivity. Employees are expected to meet tight deadlines and maintain fast output levels. While this supports innovation, it can also increase pressure on employees. Over time, constant high expectations can make it harder for employees to maintain a healthy balance between work and personal life. Tesla operates with a relatively flat organizational structure that supports rapid decision making. This design allows leaders to respond quickly to challenges and maintain innovation speed. In highly competitive industries, this structure can be a major advantage. However, fewer management layers may reduce consistent supervision and communication. When leadership guidance is inconsistent, employees may feel unclear about expectations. The increased workload pressure can contribute to communication challenges. The first step in Cotter's model is creating urgency. In Tesla's case, urgency already exists due to the rapid growth and the workforce pressure. However, leadership must clearly communicate why improving people management practices is necessary for long-term success. The second step involves forming a leadership coalition. This coalition includes leaders from human resources, operations, and engineering departments. Working together, these leaders guide change and maintain accountability across the organization. The third step focuses on developing a clear vision for change. In this situation, the vision includes improving leadership communication, supporting sustainable workloads, and strengthening organizational consistency. The fourth step involves communicating that vision effectively. Leaders can use briefings, structured message tools, and employee feedback opportunities to share expectations clearly. Consistent communication helps employees understand goals and support alignment across teams. The next step involves removing the barriers and creating short-term wins. Removing the barriers may include adjusting unrealistic workloads and improving communication across departments. Short-term wins help demonstrate the progress is being made. Examples include improving teamwork satisfaction scores and better communication feedback. These early successes build confidence and encourage employees to support ongoing changes. The final step on sustaining improvement and anchoring change into the organizational culture, sustaining improvement requires continued leadership, training, and consistent accountability practices. Anchoring changes means making improved communications and leadership expectations part of the daily operations. When these behaviors become routine, organizational improvements are more likely to continue long term. One major challenge Tesla is facing during this change implementation is resistance from employees and leaders who are accustomed to working in a fast-paced environment. In high-performance setting, even small changes can feel disruptive, especially if employees believe productivity expectations may increase. To manage these challenges, several systems must work together. Leadership training programs must reinforce consistent leadership behavior. Communication systems must provide clear direction across departments. Human resources policies must support realistic workload expectations, and performance standards must remain balanced. When these systems align, change becomes more consistent and sustainable. Several key lessons emerge from the evaluations of Tesla's people's management practices. Leadership consistency strengthens employees' trust, especially in environments where expectations change quickly. Transparent communication improves teamwork and helps employees understand responsibilities more clearly. Sustainable workloads are also essential because they support long-term productivity and reduce employee burnout. As for me, as a future manager, I will apply these lessons by promoting ethical leadership, maintaining structured communication systems, and supporting balanced workload expectations. By these, by doing this, these actions will help employees stay motivated and improve the overall organizational effectiveness. References? Thank you.